Bonafide Hustler here. It is 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm at my first garage sale. There are not many today, but I bet you we're gonna find some cool things. So I'm gonna take you along the journey with me. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, comes to you live from the inside of my spaceship, my small car. And we're about to be in a garage sale. There's only a few today. I know, boo-hoo. What we're basically doing here is we're gonna look for used items that we can sell for more money. If that sounds of value to you, and you could start this weekend, by the way. No boss, work your own hours. Now, if that sounds of interest to you, pick up this free guide. It's the first link down below. This will help you learn some items to start looking out for. Go check it out. First link down below, it's free.
Plastic boxes.
That yard sale was interesting, but a lot of the prices were kind of high. I did buy these $10 pair of La Sportiva climbing shoes. Typically locally, you can move these for like 50 bucks all day. And on eBay, you know, probably closer to maybe 65 or so. But yeah, La Sportiva in very good condition. We can see that the front of the shoe has a definite, you know, kind of like angle right there. You can kind of see how it rounds the very top, and you can see the edge really well. So that's kind of like an indicator it hasn't been used very much. This is a multi-family yard sale, which means people are coming at different times to like set up their things. And there's someone else coming back. I talked to him and he said he does have a bicycle for sale, so I might hang around a little bit, just chill in the car. It's kind of awkward, but maybe I can get my hands on this thing. Okay, so I did buy this single speed like SE charge bike for 20 bucks. Hey, this will work. This is usually resellable for about $100. And then I have a piece of a Bianchi single speed back there. I think the frame's kind of shot, but still got the wheels and everything for that bike. A couple other components. And yeah, I got both those bikes for 30 bucks. So it's an okay deal. It's not the greatest deal, but it's an okay deal. It's good enough to make some money on. All right, next garage sale is right here. Looks kind of like a reseller sale though. So maybe we'll find something, who knows? Wow, that sale had so much garbage in it. Holy moly. Like every single item was garbage. Okay, so like this first bike right here, this Charge SE, whatever. You know, realistically, it's somewhere between like $1 and maybe $150 resale on this. The one in the background is called a Bianchi SISS, something single speed. And I noticed later that part of the rear frame is rusted, so I'll sell the wheels, I'll sell the fork, and I'll sell the brakes. The brakes will probably go for like 30 to 40. The wheels will probably go for 50 to 75. And then the fork, since it's a Bianchi SISS, very significant fork, that'll probably go on eBay, and that's likely to be, I don't know, 50 to 100 bucks. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna probably get that bike moved, because yeah, the frame's not in the greatest condition. Now, sometimes I notice things after the fact, but for $10, I mean, you cannot go wrong. There are pedals with that bike. There are cranks with that bike. There are grips with that bike. I mean, there are a lot of things I'm going to keep and use for other bikes. So, but I will move the parts of the bike. And one of the wheels is right, one of the single speed wheels is sitting right here, you know? So pretty cool. Has like pretty much a fresh 26-inch tire on it too. So I'm pretty sure if I list the wheel set alone for 50 bucks, someone will definitely pounce on that, considering one of the tires is basically brand new anyway. So now 26-inch wheels are just kind of a thing of the past, but people are still building up bikes and like, you know, retro modding or resto modding bikes, and they need 26-inch wheels. So yeah, this is a pretty good one to flip when it comes to a wheel set. And it being single speed, a little bit more rare too. Next garage sale is here. I think it's more of like a kid garage sale. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go check it out. There could be some cool things here. I think I'm one of the first people here too.
How you doing?
Doing all right? Can I walk through it, or is it good to go?
No, we're going to wait till 8.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
give it to you.
All right. I guess there's a inside the house sale. It did rain last night, so maybe this is the reason why this one's inside. Yeah, I'm just looking around just to see what you guys got.
Yeah, absolutely. There's a bunch of couches. There's some
Okay.
bedroom stuff in there. Exercise equipment.
Cool. So I'm in the side yard. She said there's a bike for sale. Maybe I'll get it. We'll see. Okay, 20 bucks later, and I grabbed the Specialized Expedition. I think we're just gonna need air in the tires, guys. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. Everything shifts well, everything. So yeah, I think this is probably a 180 to about a $250 bike once I'm done with it. Yeah, to be honest, like that bike was nowhere inside the house. The lady had asked me, you know, what are you looking for? And so I told her a couple things. One of them was like a bicycle, and she was like, oh, there actually is one behind the house. So that's how I ended up getting that bike for 20 bucks. It's in really good condition. I mean, I can already tell by the rear gears and the cassette, and I'm like, all right, you know, like this thing wasn't used a whole lot. So yeah, I'm thinking in this like 180, 250 range is where this thing's gonna shake out. Always good to have a near ready bike, you know, ready for market. I like that. I don't want to become a bike mechanic. I know how to do a lot of bike work, but at the end of the day, I'm in it for a quick flip, you know? So if I have to work on it extensively, I better be making a ton of money to reward me for my efforts, right? Yeah, that garage sale was not good, but remember what I said earlier in the vlog, and that there are not many garage sales today. So I think I'm at like the last one. Maybe there's one more after this, I'm not sure. This is technically an estate sale garage sale, so I'm like not the biggest fan. And it was open yesterday too. We're on Saturday. It was open on Friday. So it's like, ugh. I might be getting the crumbs, you know? I don't like crumbs. Crumbs? No. I don't like crumbs. Usually if I get crumbs, I'm still hungry, right? I want the whole meal. Maybe we could find some more things here. But I still thought so far that the garage sale day, for being only 4 or 5 garage sales, wasn't the worst. You know, I found some okay things.
Well, hey, how's it going? How are you? Cool.
Yeah. Everything is for sale, so all of the furniture and all of the paint.
All right, from that garage sale, kind of a stupid find, but it was 25 cents. Some bike grips, and I can use this when I fix any bike up. There's like 3 of them, right? Should be 4, but there's 3. So I'll use that set right there on some random bike that I find that needs new grips. I found one more garage sale on Craigslist. So there's one right here. Could be interesting. I do see a bike here too. On the fence.
The jacket on
Yeah.
the Looney Tunes one, that's 15.
15?
And that bike is 50. It doesn't have a price on it.
Okay, I didn't find anything from that garage sale, but it was also a reseller garage sale. And I don't like buying from those because the deals are not that good. And yeah, and the bike, by the way, was $35, but single speed Trek District, you know, aluminum frame, and it had a ding on the top tube. So I was like, nope. I probably would have bought it for 35 bucks if it didn't have that ding though, but it's got a ding, so I got to pass. We're back at the Hustler Casa, and you know, it wasn't the worst garage sale day. It wasn't the best garage sale day, but we sold 3 items from that day already. We're only 2 days down the road. Hey, check it out. There's the hat from Vacation. Hey, check it out. There's an NES Classic. Actually, there's 2 of them. Hey, check it out. There might be a Power Glove in the corner. There's a Power Glove in the corner? What? Okay, so yeah, what did we sell from 2 days ago? We sold the bike wheels for $60. That was pretty good. We sold the seat post of the bike for $50 on eBay. So that was good. You'll see it on the next vlog. And then we sold one other thing. Oh yeah, we sold those climbing shoes, you know, that I bought for $10. And I was like, oh, they're gonna sell for 65 on eBay. They actually sold for 75 on eBay. So I already got those shipped off as well. Not too bad. Still left with the 2 other bikes. And now that I looked harder at the single speed one, it's actually a Charge Plug is what it's called. And it has a Sturmey Archer 3-speed, like SRF3 hub on it, which is already like $150. Like the hub's like a 3-speed shifter. So it looks like a single speed bike, but it's not. It actually has 3 gears and it's like super awesome. All right, so I listed that bike for 2. I was gonna list it for 100 or 150. Now it's 2, that's good. And then the Specialized I listed for 3 $350. I don't even know my prices, but whatever. That's how the day shook out so far. You know, I still love going out, even if it rained the day before or whatever, or the night before. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy these vlogs. And if you do, you have to hook me up with a like. You just have to do it. Or put a comment down below. Like, what did you find on your garage sale day or yard sale day? What did you like out of my garage sale day, you know? But I will see y'all in the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.